how to make Mozilla Firefox either remember the browsing history or not remember the browsing history. To modify this setting, you have to come here to the three horizontal lines, come here to the options, that gear sign, okay, and at privacy and security, lock sign, you have history. So from here you can either set it to remember the history or never remember the history. If I select this one, never remember, it's asking me to restart the browser. So restart it. Now it's not remembering any web page that you visited. The history can be viewed from here, view history, and for example at history we have recently closed tabs. Or you can press Ctrl H on the keyboard, and from here you could access the previously visited websites. Okay, so to modify it back, three horizontal lines, options, privacy and security, scroll down to history and remember history and restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.